Yes, sir! Sir! Yes, sir, President Bush! Mentor Dr. Nelly, sir! Sir, I'll do everything possible for my government, sir! Absolutely, sir! Thank you, sir.
To a city girl.
That's it. That's it for me. See you. I can't get out here and get Guinness sauce. Yeah. My son who will look you, respect you. Oh, it's
She's the kind of
God and glory to me. Oh, what do you know? You get a money. Yeah, I'm the man. Yeah. I'm the man. Don't worry. Don't worry. I don't look my legs, you put your legs down. Come on, you. Are you please hold them? Look, yo. She's nuts. She's the most beautiful and the most expensive girl you know. But you know something? She don't feel like being friends to us. She just don't feel like, talking to anybody. Oh, is it? It means you guys, they use the wrong method. Yeah, you know, organize things well. For me, it be like, you forget the cupid. You know that baby angel with the arrow, no? Take sure, put the heart inside. If I win it, that's the only way out. You don't know what they talk about you. You don't know the girl you're talking about here. You can't even want the time left alone the heart. Waiting. What is so special about this girl? Waiting they in body we know the another woman talk. Waiting. You guys, man. What this brotherhood wants, this brotherhood should get. Foul or fair. I don't know. That's right. Yeah. For me, this girl, you know, be paying anything. That's what she is. Brother, just give it a try. If you guys organize the things where they can run the things, yeah, why not? Because me, I just need like 4 months. I could not come down, not sharp. Wire everything, break and drop out. Oh yeah, everything finished. What are those necessary logistics you're talking about? Money. Kwacha the run thing. Talk to how much are you going at?
To a city girl. From a nobody.
Like 5 million money for you guys.
She's a woman.
After contributing,
She doesn't know what she wants.
I don't even feel. Listen, if I fail, yeah, I'll go pay your money. That one is shot. But me, I never go fail. That ain't happening, niggas. I go knock out. Hey, you hold on. So what you're telling me now is, if I give you the money, I go pay the girl within 1 month. Every time I go just brush up, I go break down, I go drop out. Alright. It's your D then. You know what? You know the money no fast, but as for me, they say, this guy on. No. The company will be covered. I for one. What you say about Ola? You say 1 month. 1 month. Alright. I've been to say, give me the money. Let's not play give me the money. Go this way. Live in yourself. You live this one. Don't let but still, you deal. If you fuck up, man. Alright, I'll forget to you, man. I swear. Oh, Charlie, it's celebrating. Alright, it's not my downfall.
She's a
Sir,
woman.
can I offer you something?
She doesn't know what she wants, but she's
Hi.
so
Good
beautiful.
afternoon, sir.
And so
Is there anything I
desirable.
can help you with?
My name is Major Dr. Nelly, Nellly.
Every man
So just do it with the sir
desires
thing and just call me that. Do you understand the words coming from my mouth?
strong attraction.
Yes.
Good.
That's what she
So,
inspires.
like I said, can I offer you anything?
Sure. But right now, I don't think I have a choice. No menu.
Oh, right.
She wants no other but the American boy.
Thanks. What have we got here?
Is in love with the
You're not just gonna stand there, are you? Perhaps. You're not a soldier, he's a
She
soldier.
wants no other but the American boy. From a local
Nah.
girl
Nothing.
Are you sure?
to
We
a
have
city girl.
so many things.
Positive.
From a nobody.
There's nothing here I can possibly eat. You see, back in the States, US Marines are not supposed to eat such
She's a woman.
heavy food. It's not good for you. It makes you really sluggish in identifying potential enemies, so we don't do that.
Okay.
She's
So, is there any other thing we can
and
give
so
you, like,
desirable.
to substitute?
Not at all.
She's the kind
Nothing.
of woman
But, I mean, this is a very nice place. I like here.
desire.
And you're a nice person. So I would just settle for
Attraction.
the rice and
That's
chicken.
what she
That should do.
Oh, okay, right.
And get me a bottle of rosy wine.
I don't think we have that.
You don't? Okay, get me some Tassie wine.
I don't
Nope. Okay, come de come. No?
Sorry.
Okay, never mind, never mind. Just get me your best wine.
But our best wines are usually very expensive.
You're looking at a US Marine Major. I can afford to buy this whole place right now. I mean, I can pay for all the drinks on your counter. I have money to spend. I have dollars, alright? Just give me the wine.
Okay.
And the best wine. Good.
Somebody. She's a woman. She doesn't know what she wants, but she's so beautiful. Ooh, and so desirable. She's the kind of woman that every man desires. Strong attraction, that's what she inspires. But she's in love. She is in love with the American boy.
Please, sir, call from the White House.
But the American boy.
Yes, sir!
She is in love
Sir!
with the American.
Yes, sir, President Bush! Major Dr. Nelly, sir!
Wants no other but the American
Sir, I'll do everything possible for my government, sir!
boy.
Absolutely, sir! Thank you, sir.
To a city girl, from a nobody, ooh, to somebody.
Excuse me, young lady. When's my food gonna be ready? I have an order from my president. Hurry up about it. Hot 1, 2, 3. Hot 1, 2, 3. Hot 1, 2, 3.
But the American
She was so risen.
she is in love with the American boy. American boy. Oh, she wants wants no other.
There you go.
American boy.
Bring it up.
From a local girl
I hope it tastes delicious.
to a city girl.
Thank you.
From a nobody to somebody.
Yeah, that's the one. Excellent. This food looks delicious.
She wants no other.
Yeah, I hope so too. Tastes good. Yeah, take it over. You gonna join me? Have a seat.
So, tell me, how's America like? The people, tell me about America. I mean, tell me about the people, about the food, the clothes, everything. The life there.
I think the States is a beautiful place. The people are really nice, beautiful people. The food is fantastic. Oh, and for me it's just wow. Do you understand wow?
Yeah.
Good. I didn't catch your name.
Oh, my name is AGYA.
I know that name. I know the name, AGYA.
AGYA. Don't worry, I know you Americans, you have difficulties in pronouncing our local names. It's alright, I forgive you.
Your food is delicious,
Thank
AGYA.
AGYA.
Okay, I'm sure I'll catch it, never mind. I'm just gonna finish my meal, okay? And I think you're a beautiful lady, really nice lady. Yeah, and I'll love to be your friend.
Thank you. I'll leave you to enjoy your meal and please don't hesitate to call whenever you need anything.
Okay, thanks. I won't hesitate.
She is in love with the American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. From a local girl to a city girl. From a nobody to somebody. She is in love with the American boy. She wants to.
Excuse me. Can I have my bill, please?
She is in love with the American boy.
Thanks. Okay.
Wants no other but the American.
I would really love to meet you again, you know. How much is that again? Alright, I got it.
To a city girl.
I don't really have small notes here, but
From a nobody
there you go.
to somebody.
Yeah, but this is American dollars. We don't change that here.
I know. Dollars, right? Like what we say back in the US, keep the change.
Okay.
Okay, AGYA. I hope to see you around. Okay? Right on.
Excuse me. Can I get your number?
No, I think that's a very, very bad idea because intelligent reasons, security reasons, I just can't do that. But oh, what the heck? You have a pen? I'll give it to you. Grab one. I gotta go.
Just a second.
Okay, let me just do it quickly. But don't tell anybody I give you my number because it's not safe. Okay, there you go. I hope you call me around.
I will.
So, okay. Good day.
It's near completion.
Operation for extermination.
What's it? The girl falls back. Whistle, my niggas up! What's that? What's it? We don't get you.
From a nobody
Dollar. The money will be Yes. It's power. Hey, there is power in the dollar than any ordinary eye. The girl he fall flat. He fall just like that. Oh, he fall for ground. He fall for me. I didn't think I believe you. Huh? You guys gonna believe me? You go tell me. The girl is saying, yeah, you go. So, no, no sweat. Sit down, let's play game. She go call. I'm sure. You go call me. You think they can flex you? If you don't call me.
from a nobody to somebody. She is in love with the American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. She is in love with the American boy.
How you doing? Good. How are you? I'm alright. Okay, girl. So what's poppin'? This guy just walked out of here. Oh my God, he's so fine. He was just pouring slang to me. He said he's an American soldier. American soldier? Yes, he was here with his personal assistant, and he was wearing this gorgeous camouflage, looking all healthy and so fine, you know. Was a plate of fried rice. Ordered for the best, the most expensive drink we have out here. And on top of it, he dashed me $100 American.
Why? Is he in love with you or something?
I don't know, but I'm so sure he is. You know, his eyes were so passionate. Oh, I so wanted to kiss him.
Baby girl, you've hit the jackpot. You better make sure you don't let this one slip away. He's a solid man.
What are you talking about me? Let Nelly slip away. Hey, God forbid.
Wait. Did I hear you say he came with an assistant soldier?
You know what? I'm so sure that he has so many of his friends with him right now. And through him, I can get you connected. How about that? Don't worry, girl. I have it. Thank you. You know, I think I should call him right now. He gave me his number. You should. Should.
But the American boy. She is in love with the American boy. She is.
Yeah, sweet. Hey, put that out. be the girl. Make it. You go call you. That.
Okay, try. Just keep trying. Keep trying. I want my share. Keep trying. Could it be that keep trying?
To somebody.
Hello?
Hi. Who's on the line?
Hi, this is AGYA.
Is this Dr. Major Nelly?
Yes. This is Dr. Major.
Hi. This is Akia, the girl you met at the restaurant this afternoon.
Like a couple of hours ago, I promised I was going to call you.
Oh, Cinderella. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Where are you now?
I'm in America.
I'm in the American Embassy in Accra.
You know, I got a package over the weekend from General Colin Power.
So I have to just dash down in Accra, to pick it up.
Intelligence stuff, you know?
But how? You were...
You were just here a couple of hours ago.
I don't understand.
They sent me a private jet.
Yeah, to pick me up. So, in a flash, I'm in Accra.
You know, I'm a little busy right now. So can you please call me back in like 3 hours? But if you don't get me on the line, don't worry about it. Because I'm gonna come
Down to Kumasi to have
lunch with you in the afternoon. Just to have lunch with you. Do you like that?
Yes, no problem.
I love you. You know that, right?
I love you too.
She's a woman. She doesn't know what she wants, but she's so beautiful, ooh, and so desirable. She's the kind